Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. RecruitNXT is hiring for PHP Developer Intern. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. So roles and responsibilities under this role are conducting analysis of website and application requirements, writing back-end code and building efficient PHP modules, developing back-end portals with an optimized database, troubleshooting application and code issues, integrating data storage solutions, responding to integration requests from front-end developers, finalizing back-end features and testing web applications, updating and altering application feature to enhance performance. What will you get? A fantastic experience, medical health benefits, flexible working hours and work from home. You work in an amazing culture at a startup pace. We do have certificates on the successful completion of this internship, letter of recommendation on LinkedIn for outstanding performers, job qualifications and skills, good teamwork skills, good observation and reduction skills. Let us get to know about RecruitNXT. RecruitNXT is a recruitment software that provides uninterrupted hiring solutions to all kinds of businesses. Save your time and efforts and hire the best candidate at the right time with a cost-effective, easy-to-use and unified platform. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form will open. Here are some additional details. It is completely work from home and flexible working hours. You will be given certificate. LOR will also be given based on performance. Please fill to the best of your knowledge. And here one note is given. We give preference to members who are available for longer duration, 5 to 6 months, and can work for more time every day. And your college will approve full-time internship with us for 6 months, then preference will be given to you. That means if you are a final year student and you are looking for an internship for 6 months, this is the best fit for you. Fill the basic details here, email, your name, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, then your internship skills. Here are the IT skills required: PHP, Code Igniter, JavaScript, front-end. Can you work by yourself without hand-holding, guidance, micromanagement like in a hackathon mode? List the PHP frameworks, libraries you have used. Explain in brief the kind of work, projects, internship you have done in past in similar field. Provide your GitHub profile. Why are you looking for internship? Then what is your college timings? Ignore if you are passed out of college. How many hours you can invest in a day for this internship? Duration of internship you are available for: 5 months, minimum 6 months or more, or 12 months. What describes you best? Then upload your resume and click on the submit application button and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.